Honor has unveiled Power 2. The Honor Power was introduced back in April. And this one will have a mind-blowing 10,000 mAh battery. The smartphone will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 chipset that will easily handling everything from everyday tasks to demanding 3D games with the addition of an octa-core CPU. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB. The smartphone features an AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.78 inches LTPS display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Storage will be 256 and 512 GB. Camera setup will be 50 megapixel wide main sensor. The phone is tipped to pack a 10,080 mAh battery. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.